In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch deposit in Xero. Batch depositing is a really useful feature when you receive multiple payments that are grouped together in your bank account, such as a day's worth of sales or several customer payments that are deposited as a single amount. Instead of recording each payment individually and trying to match them one by one, you can record them as a single batch in Xero and make your bank reconciliation faster and more accurate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, from your Xero dashboard, look for the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Sales and click on it. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and customer payments. Clicking Sales will open up a page that shows you an overview of your sales activity. Next, within the sales area, click on Invoices. This will take you to the full list of your sales invoices. Here, you'll see different tabs that group invoices by their status, such as draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. Since we're working with invoices that still need to be paid or have just been paid and are ready to be deposited, we'll focus on the ones awaiting payment. Now, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This filters the list so you only see invoices that have been approved and sent, but not yet fully marked as paid. This is usually where you'll find the invoices that correspond to the payments you're about to batch deposit. From this list, select the invoices you want to include in your batch deposit. Typically, these will be the invoices that have been paid and will show up as one combined amount on your bank statement. You can tick the checkboxes next to each relevant invoice. Take a moment to double check that the total of the selected invoices matches the deposit amount you see, or expect to see, in your bank account. This will save you time later during bank reconciliation. Once you've selected all the invoices you want to include, look for the deposit option and click on it. This action tells Xero you're creating a batch deposit from those invoices. Xero will then group them together as a single deposit transaction that you can later match to the corresponding line on your bank statement, keeping your records neat and accurate. And that's how you batch deposit in Xero.